What is up, everyone? Welcome back to IMX Tech. The smartphone world is heating up because tomorrow, Realme is officially dropping the beast, the Realme Neo 8. But guess what? We don't have to wait until tomorrow because we've got massive leaks on pricing, variants, and some insane camera specs. Let's dive right into the details. First up, let's talk money. A massive leak from Oppo's own customer support system just revealed the pricing for the Chinese market. It looks like we're getting 4 different storage variants: 12GB S256GB variant price, 250 mine, yuan, $375, 12GB Ps plus 512Z variant price, 399 yuan, $457, 16GB Ps plus 512Z variant price, 309 yuan, $490, 16GB Ps plus 1T variant price, 399 yuan, $560. At these prices, Realme is clearly aiming to be a flagship killer. We're also expecting 3 futuristic colors: Origin White, Mecha Gray, and Cyber Purple. Now, let's talk about those lenses. Realme has officially confirmed a Sony IMX896 primary sensor, but the real star is the periscope telephoto lens. We're looking at 3.5x optical zoom 7's lossless zoom and a mind-blowing 120x digital zoom. Rumors also point toward a Sony LYT600 sensor being in the mix, alongside an 8MP ultra-wide lens and a 16MP selfie shooter. This setup is built for those who take mobile photography seriously. Under the hood, this phone is a total powerhouse. Processor, the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset. This thing will fly. Display, a 6.7-inch 1.5K flat AMOLED panel with a buttery smooth 165Hz refresh rate. Battery, a massive 8,000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. Extra features, we're getting an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, IP69 water resistance, and a dedicated PC handheld gaming mode. Software-wise, it'll run Realme UI 7 based on Android 16. Now, for my global viewers, there's a strong chance this device will hit the international market rebranded as the Realme GT 8. We're still waiting for an official global timeline, so stay tuned. So, what do you think about the Realme Neo 8? Is the 120 by zoom a game changer for you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to IMX Tech for the latest in AI and smartphone technology. I'll see you in the next one.